Alright guys, how's everyone doing? It is your boy here, and today we're back with another video. And today we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be teaching you how to get a banner, a channel banner. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. Alright, so make sure to go on any of your browsers, Google anything, and search just banner snack. Okay, so you'll find something here. It's called the banner snack. Wait, no. Yeah, banner snack. You'll find this. So let's just do this. Make your banner. Make a banner. All right. So it will be transported to this. So what you want to do is that you wanna I'm gonna do this real quick. Yeah, connect. You probably can't see that, can you? Not sure. So yeah, now it's done, and now you're at this thing. Simple design, simple or animated design. Create edits in different sizes. Okay, make a design. Just to keep in mind, this is completely free. You can do this for everyone can do this completely free. It's completely free. Alright, so you'll be transported to this page right here. And this is basically the size of the channel banner right here. This is the channel banner. Well, I'm gonna just do this for example. I'm going to make my thing. Alright. Obviously I've used this a couple times to make my channel banners. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put my name, the Mystic Cal Cthulhu. The Mystical Cthulhu. So let's make this small. Alright. Okay. Now we can do something. So make sure I can just put a subscribe button. So where's this subscribe button? Okay, it's right there. Okay, I wanna undo that one right there. Alright. Here's the subscribe. Okay, I have to undo it again. To just get the actual subscribe button. Alright, now I got the subscribe button. I'm just going to put a subscribe button. Keep in mind, this is going to be on my channel, so I'm doing this live right now to show you that this works perfectly. Alright, let me just, it's fine. I'll just leave this. But you can do that. You can put a subscribe button there. Oh, I can use this one right here. Oh, I don't need it. I'll just make my own. Alright. So now we're just gonna look at stuff. So we can upload. Keep in mind you can upload stuff from for something for stuff. Like you get up there's stuff that there's templates, there's animators, but you need but it's not for YouTube, so it's probably for a website or something else. Alright, I'm just going to continue. So I'm going to use my back. So what I want a background. Why do I want as a background? My primary. I'm just gonna put my primary color as black. To be honest, or no, I'll just put it as white, and then I'll upload something. Alright. Where is it? Oh yeah, upload. Let's upload a file. So well, let's just quickly just upload a file that we have. My logo. Okay. Yeah, my stair. I just named it randomly. All right. Now we can just put this here, right here. So. All right. All right. This is gonna be a simple one. So yeah, I'm gonna get a text. Subheading right here. I'm gonna put subscribe. Subscribe now. Lol. Alright, I'm gonna make this a bit smaller there. Alright, color. We'll make it like white. We'll make this one white also, and we'll just make everything black to fit in with this thing. So background black. So now it can show now. It shows now. And now it can blend in with anything right here. Alright, now I'm done with this. Now let's download this. So you can download it only in PNG or JPG, but this is all you need. So let's download this. So download. This may take a while. Just relax. So it's going to load, and then you're probably going to get a download file right here. Alright, now what we have to do is just like personalize. So yeah, now we're done with this. Let's go to YouTube and let's go to our channel right now. Now we have this untitled design that downloaded to our computer. Sorry, okay. Now we have that, and now we'll just go to like this, upload photos, channel art. So now we'll scroll down, and well, I'm pretty sure it's at downloads. Yeah, untitled design. Now let's upload this. As you can see, it's now done. Look, it's perfect now. Like, all right, now it's done. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this and this was helpful for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.